morning. So it is currently about 4 o'clock in the morning today. It's a Sunday here today, and we are getting ready to go to Bunjie. Oh my god. There's an ant that just went down my shirt. Okay, we're getting ready to go to Bunjie. It's kind of loud because we're out on the main road. So literally this is a stall and that's the road, okay? Yeah, so today we are taking a family trip. There's I think 16 of us. We rented a car, so we're gonna go to Bunjie. It is famously known for their coconuts. The land is known as the land of the coconut. So coconut candy, coconut rice paper. So I'm very excited. So let's go, and most of us are still not here. You know, we'd be going by that Asian time. So it's currently 7:17 and we're stopped on the side of the street to get some broken rice. It's a meal. So we're actually going to the beach in Bunjie, and I honestly did not know that there's even a beach here. It's like we're out in the Mekong Delta, but you know, I think it's more like a man-made beach. There's my little niece, cousin-in-law. There's my cousin. Alright, Kimbe Day. We're getting ready to go. We're not swimming. It's too crowded, and I'm not prepared to. I didn't know that there's even beaches here. It feels good, but dang. My goodness. So this is my cousin. I don't think this is my first time hanging out with her since coming home. It's hot. It's so hot. You come, you can actually rent those floaties, small one or big ones. I need to be careful with my camera, oh my gosh. So those boats out there is where you can go to buy like fishes or crab, and you can bring them up here and they'll cook it for you, like at the restaurants up there. Pro tip, remember to wear sunscreen and bring a hat, because it's hella hot here. And bring your sunglasses. They actually sell a lot of seafood down here, so if you want, you can actually buy fresh seafood and bring them to the restaurants. And I'm on the lookout for mantis shrimp. So, let's do this. I got a bargain. I suck at bargaining, honestly. I suck at it, but we'll see. My favorite. Those are mantis shrimp. Another pro tip, ignore the restaurant one. So apparently they charge you more if you buy the seafood and bring it up to the restaurant. So if you're looking for something that's more simple, like just boil, then you just boil it here for like 10 dong, which is like maybe 50 cents here. And they'll boil it for you. They'll give you the salt and pepper to eat with the seafood. But if you take it up to the restaurant, it's much more expensive. So right now we're just like going around and buying seafood, boil, and then we'll bring it back to our tent, and that's about it. Quite ingenious, right? The people who sell the seafood, they'll work with someone who also be who will be cooking the seafood, and the people who will be cooking the seafood, they will be like collaborating with someone who actually let you like rent the tables out here on the beach. So as soon as you buy the seafood, someone already like on, I guess part of their team would already come get the seafood, cook for you, and then bring it to the table that is also part of their team. So I think that's actually pretty genius, and I think it's actually cheaper to buy down here. You actually have to buy like quite a lot up in the restaurant, right? And I'm not sure about the quality, but like if you're traveling on a budget, this is definitely the way to go. It's really, really nice. They have like fresh sugar cane juice here. I think $5 for one. $5 for one, and it's really refreshing. So I think I've been here for, I guess, long enough for my stomach to kind of adapt, but I still need to be careful. So overall, this was a good trip. It's a really good spot, very affordable. If you're looking for a place to travel on a budget with a lot of food, you can tolerate the sanitation-wise, hygiene, this is definitely a place for you. That's about it. Highly recommend this.